All right, you guys, so we are back with a really cute pink 90s inspired hairstyle. Now, I did this color with watercolor and it literally took me like 2 minutes to do. So I'm going to show you guys the color that I use, and I'm going to show you how I did this really cute hairstyle coming up very soon. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so before we start the video, I'm going to announce my $100 giveaway that I'm going to be doing once a month. All you have to do is like this video, comment below, and leave your Cash App. Good luck. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Beaufox. They sent me a 613 blonde lace front wig. Now the picture on the right is how I got the wig in the mail and how you guys will get the wig when you get it in the mail as well. And today I used the color Pink Blush by Adore to get this really cute ombre. So basically with my watercolor, I filled up a bowl with hot water and put the color in the bowl, dipped the wig in, and when I got toward the bottom, I put more color in the bowl so it was more potent. Only dipped the end so I got that nice gradient from light to dark. Now, if you're wondering about the roots, I just used a regular brown permanent dye. Normally I use like a semi-permanent, but my friend here, Jaleesa, she said she wanted like a specific color. So I just used what she gave me and it came out really cute. So to start off this install today, oh my god, I am so excited because I haven't done a voiceover in so long. Like I haven't done a voiceover in like a month. So I'm just in good spirits right now and I'm excited to get back to work because y'all, I've been recording videos for like a month straight, like 1 to 2 models every single day, editing, you know, just doing all the behind the scenes work. But I usually like edit a whole bunch of videos or record, edit a whole bunch of videos, and then I end up doing my voiceovers last. So after a month of recording like hella hair videos, I took like a 3-week break because I burnt myself out for real. And now that I'm ready to get back on my grind, I'm doing voiceovers all day today and I'm just excited. So I'm just, you know, my energy is just super high today. But okay, so back to the install. So I'm using a medium brown stocking cap from galaxygirlhair.com. Now, of course, we have 3 different skin tones that you can choose from. We have the beige, the medium brown, and the dark brown. So whichever one suits you the best, go ahead and pick that up from galaxygirlhair.com right now. So liquid lace glue is back in stock on the website as well. This is the only lace glue that I use on my channel, period, point, blending. Okay, so I put a thin coat right in front of the stocking cap and now I'm spreading it with the back of my tweezers. And one tip that I will tell you guys is once you lay that glue down, go ahead and spread it with the quickness. Okay, you can't really wait to spread the glue because it's going to start to dry, and if it dries before you spread it out, then it may not turn all the way clear. It may still look cloudy or, you know, kind of like grayish or white, and you don't want to see that under the lace. Okay, so make sure once you apply the glue, you spread it nice and quick, allow it to dry, and do 2 coats. Now, if you look closely at the lace, okay, the lace actually came like this, like white, you know, like super, I don't know, super light color. And a lot of the times, like these blonde wigs normally come with a lace like that. I'm not sure why they'll come with a tan lace or a brown lace like the other wigs do, but I always have a little, I'm not gonna say a struggle, but I always have to do extra to try to get, you know, the blonde laces to match my model. So in this case, I added makeup, of course. So actually, no, I did a 2-step process. First, I did a liquid lace tint. So instead of the sprays, I have like this semi-permanent brown rinse that I kind of just dabbed on the lace, left it on there, and I dried it on there like with the blow dryer. Then I took my liquid foundation and took my brush and just kind of like lightly brushed it across the inside of the lace and on top. Then to create like a sticky covering over that foundation and to block all that moisturizer and oil that may be in that makeup, I sprayed Got To Be Spritz all on the inside of the lace, and then I dry it with the blow dryer again. So basically what that does, it allows the glue to like stick to the lace a lot easier, versus if you don't put that coating of spritz, sometimes the moisturizers in that foundation will prevent it from sticking, and you don't want them problems because it's annoying. Then you have to lift the lace back up, add another coat of glue, you know, put the spritz on there. So don't forget that part if you're using like liquid foundation to tint your lace. And one more thing that I noticed is after I dyed the roots with that permanent, you know, brown dye, I realized that it dyed the knots, which normally shouldn't be a problem, but the knots are kind of like big on this wig. And not saying that this is anything unusual, like this is just how these kind of wigs are. Like blonde wigs, you really have to put a little bit more time, patience, and finesse into it, you know? So the knots turn brown, and I didn't want to go back and bleach the knots because the hair is already platinum blonde, and I didn't want to like pull out the hair or damage the hair or create bald spots in the lace. So I just left it how it is, and I'm going to just, you know, execute the style the best way I know how, do the baby hairs, and just try to disguise the knots if I can. All right, so for this style, we're doing 4 cute little pigtails on top that are just gonna like hang down. So just to make the parts look more realistic, you know, don't be lazy. Get your tweezers out and pluck every part, because trust me, it's gonna make all the difference in your styling. So another thing that I do to always have like really neat and clean hairstyles is I do my styles wet. Okay, I'll wet the hair with water. I'll put setting foam on there, especially my tropical root setting foam, okay, because it really prevents flyaways. The hair doesn't look like, the styles don't look loose. And you know, with the frontals, when you do pigtails or braids or pull it in like a half up, half down style, you can't do the styles tight or it's gonna pull the lace back. But when you have the hair wet and you style wet, it makes the styles look so clean and so flat, but they're not really tight at all, and it's not adding no extra pressure or like resistance to the lace. Oh, so the pigtails are looking really cute, but just to give it that little umph, okay, I'm gonna take a little piece of hair from each ponytail and cover it with the Got To Be glue like gel, wrap it around, hit it with the blow dryer, then hit it with some spritz, and yeah.
These rich niggas don't. Wanna do my dance, money fight, these niggas don't bend. JT, I ain't playing, little bitch, I want your man. These rich niggas don't have paper. Like, it's time for the shake that ass. It's time for the shake that ass. Bitch, the kid, when you see this, you're a bitch. Yeah.
Wait. I've never even heard that last part. Wait, what? All right, so pause. So this morning it's me, Finesse, Frankie, aka Hollywood, and we're all at my house drinking wine, taking shots, eating, talking, and it's just a great morning. Like, one thing that I can say is I always show gratitude for my job. Like, the fact that I can work and simultaneously have fun while I'm working. Like, it doesn't even feel like a job. It just feels like a hobby, you know, that I have to do to pay my bills. But either way it goes, like, I just have fun doing it. And yeah, just have to, you know, just point that out because I can't really show gratitude enough for what I do. All right, so this is like my favorite part of the whole hairstyle is using the hot comb. Like, I be having so much fun with this hot comb, y'all. I love it. So I'm flattening out the edges right now, making sure they're nice and straight and flat. I flattened out the top of the wig, and I kind of use the hot comb to straighten out just the whole top of the hair for real. Then I take my flat iron and get the bottom. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. Okay, period. So that color is looking amazing. Hair is looking nice and flat and silky. So right now I'm trimming the baby hair so we can go ahead and swoop those and finish up this style. All right. So I have a confession. So at first I tried to do the fluffy curly baby hairs that I've been talking about wanting to try so bad, but it was an epic fail. Yep, they came out horrible. So I'm gonna need more practice on that. Like, I realized that I need more work on that. And so today we're just gonna do the traditional baby hairs with the Got To Be gel. And Finesse likes hers a little bit more dramatic and like more on the face. So these are like more swoopy than, you know, what I normally do. All right, so the baby hairs are done, and listen, this hairstyle is basically done, okay? So I'm not even gonna put her under the dryer and do all that extra stuff. I'm just gonna hit her with the blow dryer and call it a day. So this is the final result, and I love it, okay? I love it. It is so cute. So once again, thank you so much for our sponsor, Beaufox, for giving us this 613 blonde lace front wig that we dyed into this pretty light pink to dark pink ombre. So if you guys want this unit in blonde, of course, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you want to get this color, I'm going to put the color below as well so you don't forget. So if you are not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, and I'll see y'all later.